It is often said that Homo sapiens reached the moon, and that is true. But we must not forget the firelight that lit our path there. Fire is not a symbol of civilization. Fire is civilization. Unlike previous species, Homo sapiens did not just inherit fire, we mastered it. Hundreds of thousands of years passed, and yet no other hominin species advanced far beyond the basic use of fire. Whether due to cognitive limitations or other unknown constraints, their relationship with fire remained primitive. But Homo sapiens from the very beginning showed a different pattern. From the moment we appeared, we demonstrated intelligence, adaptability, and above all, a refined relationship with the flame. Why? Because fire was not a side tool, it was central to our existence. While agricultural societies saw fire as a means to cook or clear land, hunter-gatherers lived by the flame. It cooked their meals, protected them from predators, hardened their tools, and eventually turned earth into ceramic. And ceramic is not just pottery. It is heat control. It is chemistry. It is engineering. To a hunter-gatherer, fire was life. But it was also unpredictable. It had to be watched, understood, respected. Whole communities sat by the fire, not just for warmth, but to observe it, learn from it, and innovate with it. Those who did not master it perished. This was evolution, not of the body, but of the mind. So it is not illogical to assume that Homo sapiens, over tens of thousands of years, became specialists in fire, not just in making it, but in reading it, shaping it, and using it as a tool for transformation. Fire was not just heat, it was the gateway to everything: metallurgy, ceramics, steam turbines, engines, rockets. The rocket engine wasn't invented because we suddenly became more intelligent, but because the materials finally caught up. Materials are the bottleneck. The ideas were always there, waiting in the flame. So when we look back, let us not see primitive people with sticks and stones. Let us see engineers of fire, scientists of heat, innovators who learned to speak the language of the flame long before they built machines. Because mastery of fire is not the beginning of the story, it is the proof that the story had already begun.